Okay, let me take this down here. And then, let's see, I'm gonna go over this way with the camera. It's gonna be hard to do this like this. That's why I wanted to drop the motor earlier.
It looks almost like there was something dropped in the motor. Like a screw or something put in there.
So I'm trying to get a good here. Come on, baby. Now, if you may, please draw your attention to our laserhelmet.com provided chart here. As you're going to see, that our spark plug literally is not fouled, it's not bad, it's perfectly normal. So we did not lean this bike out. I cannot stress that enough. We did not lean it out. So check this out. I didn't mean to drop it, but I did. But this is what it looks like.
Hey, that sucker's in there. Yeah. Lord. Yeah. Yeah, that pin's there. I can see that one.
Okay, that pin's there. Okay.
Let me see if this one here.
All right, see the other one now, real quick. Okay. Let old Bo here tell you something about unforeseen natures and probabilities of things that are not going to be seen. I don't understand what I just said, but I just said it. Okay? Yeah, boy. Have one side, yeah.
Yeah, that was stuck.
I think they call it fusion. You know, is that the right term? Fusion, like you know what Goku does when he gets with Vegeta. You know what I'm talking about? Well, better off to take a piston out. Yeah, that's what you're doing right now. Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Can I pull the clip out right now?
I think I got something you can actually pull a clip out.
I got it. I got it loose. There.
Yep. There's one.
Now,
there you go.
Here's the pin. Pin should push through easier than that, shouldn't it?
You would think.
Man.
Well, I think this is the perfect situation, boys and girls, for rebuilding motors. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be filming all this. Yeah, boy.
Coming over at all?
You look real quick. Not really. Damn. I'll watch it here. Nope. It's starting to move now. Yeah, it's starting to move. Yeah, it's starting to move. It's coming.
It's stuck, buddy.
It's coming though.
I know. Damn, it's coming up the top.
Yeah, I see that.
Man.
I do see that. Big time.
Oh, Lord have mercy at these times.
Yeah, I know, right? It's pretty not good on that crank though, is it?
That wrist pin should not be that tight.
Like knocking it like you gotta get that crank, it ain't good, is it?
I ain't beating it that hard. I'm using a hammer about the size of Mickey Mouse.
That's true.
How dare you talk about Mickey Mouse?
Yes, it's about halfway out right now.
Yeah, I gotta go a little more halfway did out there.
Yeah. There's back coming out now. Here.
A few moments later.
There it is. I can probably here you go. I got it.
Here, then. Alright, a little more. It's almost there.
I almost got it.
2,000 years later.
That's so much easier. I can't believe that. Oh shit. There's it. Alright.
Look at this burn. That burn is wider than the rod is. Look.
Oh,
I've never seen one like that. Look at this. That's crazy. The burn is wider than the rod is. I've never seen that.
What? See, we got to, like I said,
plastic or
they probably did not know what the hell they were doing at all.
aluminum hells on that rod burn. Huh.
I mean, no kidding. They did not know what the hell they were doing. Damn, look at that shit, man.
That's definitely the old rod burn. Looks like. I mean, that's not a new one for sure. It's definitely not a new one. No.
I'm just looking inside of it. It's a Malossi. Yeah, this is Malossi.
It is Malossi, yeah.
Yep. Alright, let me see.
Yeah, that's an old rod burn.
You can see that one right there. Here's that one.
Yeah.
The other one's gonna be a little harder to get out. It's
In there.
some of it's just stuck big time. Let's see if I can get my phone to actually.
That's the top of the PREMIX here.
Let's see if I can see anything down there or not. I don't see it so far.
Oh, shit.
If I get this actually. There we go.
There's a lot like that. You can see more.
Alright, slowly go up in here. I don't see nothing either, dude.
I don't see anything wrong.
Those big scratch marks right there. What?
Scratch marks.
Those
there.
ain't fucking like cracks or anything, are they?
Where?
Right there on the sides, the wall.
That's where we're taking this thing in and out, dude.
Oh no. Yeah, those look a little deep. I hate to say it, but we're gonna hope that those both horizontal and vertical, especially those vertical ones, they look really deep. Yeah, I hope it ain't messed up. Fingers crossed. I mean, considering we were using a bigger pilot and main jet than what Scooter Swap Shop even suggested to begin with, look at all the fuel and oil mix right there.
I wake up every minute with a fever dream. I put your mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hates like a... Missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town.